All right, Trader Coach Carver here, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about recovering from a losing streak. Now, I know this is something that you're probably going to have to deal with at some point in time in your trading career, whether you've already been through it or you're currently going through it now. Just going through a losing streak, this can be something that I really think is going to be able to help you throughout your trading journey. So definitely feel free to take some notes. So before we really jump into it, I'm going to talk to you about like a losing streak and what that would look like, right? And just kind of go through my trading rules that I've been following for quite some time. So when I take a look and I talk about a losing streak, right? It's extremely important to really just minimize your risk within the market. So myself personally, when I take a trade, I'm risking no more than 1% at any given point, right? Now, when I take a look at it throughout my entire day, if I lose 3 trades, I'm done for the day. Chances are I'm not even going to take 3 trades for the day because I'm very patient and I'm very calculated in my approach and what trades I take. I want to make sure they're meeting my trading plan, but neither here nor there. Let's just say I were to hit 3 losses for the day. I'm done for the day. I'm done. I'm getting up. I'm taking a break mentally. I'm coming back and I'm going to be reviewing my trades, figuring out what it was that I had done wrong. Right, I had stepped up. I took a little break, a little leave of absence, clear myself mentally, and then being able to come back with a clear head and start to analyze what it was that I had done wrong. And throughout that process, I'm analyzing my trades. Okay, first and foremost, easy question to ask: did I follow my trading plan? That should be something very simple answer, yes or no. Yeah, I took that trade off of market impulse. Maybe, I didn't wait for that confirmation. I got a little antsy, something like that. It should be fairly easy to figure out what went wrong in your approach if you actually do have a solid trading system. You have a trading plan, something that you're following. You're going through marking the boxes, yes or no, before you're actually taking the trade. If you're just taking a trade to take a trade, you're gambling and you're going to continue to get humbled time and time again. It's going to be very hard to recover from that losing streak until you take a step back and develop a solid plan. That's going to give you that edge, right? So go through, analyze your trades. First and foremost, did I follow my trading plan? Okay, if I did, yes, let me go through and identify the mistakes. What was it that had went wrong? Maybe I had failed to look at a macro time frame liquidity, or maybe I just failed to see something, right? So I go through, I identify that mistake. Okay, what went wrong? Go through, and then what I'm going to do is once I understand that, I'm going to go ahead and update my trading plan. If I had actually followed my trading plan and something went wrong, I would update it, or just say, hey, this is something, a little error, but I'll make a note of it. Because when I go into the markets the next time, I'm able to take a look at that note and I'm able to have something to, go off of to figure out what had went wrong the last time I did a trade to make sure I don't do it again, right? So throughout this process, I go through, I identify it, I update it, and then I'll go through and I'll back test it, train my eye a little bit more, say, hey, you know what? I missed that. Okay, my bad. I took that loss and I turned it into a lesson because I'm learning from it, right? I'm growing from it. And that's the important part, recovering from a losing streak. One of the biggest things is making sure you're not actually losing. You're taking a lesson from it, right? This is a give and take market. You're not always going to win, just like you're not always going to lose, right? I mean, you could technically gamble and still make some money here and there, but the thing is you need to follow this plan, right? If you do truly want to be consistent, if you do truly aspire to become a funded trader, this is something you're going to have to master, and that's going to be having that discipline to follow that trading plan. So you're going through this. Now, the next thing is when you come into the markets again, come in with a clear head. Identify what had went wrong in the last time because you had already went through it, you had analyzed it, you reviewed it, you updated it, you backtested it, you know what you did wrong. Now, don't make the same mistakes. Now, let's say day 2 I go into this, and again, just for some reason, I get my ass kicked in the markets and I take another 3 losses. I'm done for the week, right? Completely done for the week. Now this is my time to go through and just really dive into the education, figure out what it is I was doing wrong, reach out for help, reach out to somebody like myself or Adam. That's what we're here for, being able to help you grow throughout your trading journey and say, hey, I don't know what's going on. This is what's happening. I need some help really adjusting this. Reach out for a one-on-one, something like that. These are the things that are going to help you out. You need to go through and make sure that you're doing the same thing. Okay, I took a step back from the market. I had another losing day. Shit happens. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit kind of thing, right? Step away, come back, analyze the trades. What went wrong? Did I follow my trading plan? No. Day 2 in a row, I didn't follow my trading plan. Man, what am I doing? Like, I really need to get my shit together. I need to, just truly follow my trading plan. So you go through this stuff, guys, and this is very important that you go through this and you ask yourselves these things. And you can lie to me, you can lie to Adam, you can lie to your spouse, you can lie to whoever, but don't lie to yourself. When you're truly going in and figuring out what you did wrong, This isn't a time to make excuses. Well, what happened was is this candle was that or the other. Like, no, like you didn't follow the trade. You got greedy. You had FOMO kick in. You had fear of missing out. Whatever it may be, whether you over leveraged, you over traded, you revenge traded, you didn't follow your trading plan, identify that and then go into the markets the next time knowing that, hey, this is what I did wrong this time or this last time. This time I'm not going to do that again, because this is an opportunity for me to grow as a trader and learn from my lessons. Because if you're not learning from those lessons, those are losses and you're going to continue to learn to lose. And that's the thing, is if you can't learn how to take a small loss, you're eventually going to be forced to learn how to take a large loss. So don't be in that position. Don't blow your accounts, guys. Use very, proper risk management, very minimal risk. Don't put yourself out there to lose all these crazy percentages. Follow your trading plan, wait for those confirmations, and then just take that trade. Guys, we'll see you in this next one. Hopefully that helped. Implement that within your trading strategy. Let me know how it works. Hopefully this will be able to help you improve. See you in this next video.